I'm Jesh, welcome to our comprehensive U.S. stock market class. If you're eager to understand how the U.S. stock market works, unlock the secrets of successful investing, and gain practical knowledge to navigate the financial markets, you're in the right place. Our class is designed to cater to beginners and experienced traders alike, providing a deep dive into the fundamentals of stock trading, market analysis, and investment strategies. The knowledge I've gained over the past 20 years, I'm going to teach you in just 20 hours, completely free of charge. There's no fee, no subscription required. All I ask is for a small favor. Please share this video with 10 friends and encourage them to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for your support. Please watch carefully all the series of video and make the notes. Make sure to prepare your own notes and repeatedly watch the video the area which you doesn't understand. Even if you still understand the concept, please go through the net and research and make you understand the concept. Recollect the lesson learned from each video. Before going into live, make sure you made practice, and minimum 6-month practice is required to start the trading. Self-learning, emotion control, systematic approach is required for stock markets. To conclude how to use this material, watch the videos carefully, pay close attention to each video in the series. Take thorough notes in your own words to ensure you fully understand the concepts. Review and repeat, rewatch any sections of the videos that you find challenging. If there are still concepts you don't understand, research them online to gain a clearer understanding. Recollect key learnings. After each video, take time to reflect on the lessons learned and review your notes. Practice diligently. Before you begin live trading, ensure you have practiced consistently for at least 6 months. Adopt a self-learning approach. Focus on self-learning, emotional control, and a systematic approach, all of which are essential for success in the stock market. In this video you will explore the basics of the stock market, understand how stocks are traded, learn how to analyze market trends, and discover proven investment techniques. We focus on demystifying complex financial concepts, so you can build the confidence to make informed decisions. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, diversify your investment portfolio, or simply understand the dynamics of Wall Street, our class provides the tools, resources, and expert guidance you need to succeed. The stock market captures the imagination of many, sparking excitement and dreams of financial success. You're here because you're eager to learn more about it, aren't you? You're looking to find ways to profit from the market. But let's face it, how many truly succeed in turning those dreams into reality? Are you seeing the returns you hoped for? Let's dive deeper and find out what it really takes to make money in the stock market. In the United States, with a population of over 330 million, nearly 145 million adults participate in the stock market. However, the reality is that around 80% of these individual investors end up losing money. This means that only a small fraction of investors consistently see profits, while the majority experience financial losses. Why is this happening? Why do so many people struggle to make money in the stock market, even in the land of opportunity? Here are the 3 main reasons. 1. Limited financial knowledge. 2. Absence of a structured learning path. 3. Unrealistic expectations. Let me illustrate why many people fail in the stock market with a simple story. Picture this. 100 new investors are stepping into the stock market for the first time. How did they get here? Perhaps a friend or family member casually mentioned it, or maybe they came across a social media post where someone was boasting about massive gains. This is the way countless individuals are first drawn into the world of stock trading today. While the initial excitement is compelling, it often leads to a common pitfall: entering the market without a solid understanding or strategy. If 100 people diving headfirst into the stock market, eager to invest and trade, out of this group, 80 jump right in, buying and selling stocks with enthusiasm. Some decide to try their hand at day trading, others experiment with options, and a few even venture into futures trading. However, the majority of them end up losing money. Why does this happen? The simple answer is that they failed to take the time to truly understand how the stock market operates. Instead of developing a solid strategy, they make impulsive trades, chase trends without comprehending the underlying reasons, and soon find themselves facing significant losses, often within just a few months. So, when you hear that 80% of investors lose money, it's because most people don't understand what they're doing. They don't have the right education or the right approach. But those who take the time to learn and develop the right strategies are the ones who succeed. The good news is, the stock market is not as hard as people think. You don't need to be a genius. What you need is basic knowledge, a good amount of common sense, and most importantly, discipline. With these, anyone can make money in the stock market. Many people believe that they can watch a few YouTube videos or attend a weekend seminar and start making profits in the stock market immediately. They dream of getting rich overnight, but the reality is quite different. Just like any other profession, succeeding in the stock market requires proper training, consistent practice, real-world experience, and a solid foundation of knowledge. There's no shortcut to success. It's a journey of learning, discipline, and growth. When people claim that the market is bad or that they're losing money, it's worth considering. Is the issue truly the market, or is it the approach people are taking? The answer is clear. With proper knowledge and a positive mindset, anyone can achieve success in the stock market. So, I'm here to give you the right information, the right education, and the right perspective on how the stock market works that will cover everything, from the basics, to fundamental and technical analysis, to options and futures trading, and everything in between. Let's embark on this learning journey together. This isn't just a passive experience of watching videos, it's about creating a vibrant community where we can exchange knowledge, share insights, and support each other's growth. So, are you ready to take the first step? Grab a notebook, bring your friends along, and let's get started. I'll be there with you every step of the way, and together, we'll reach the finish line as confident, successful investors. We'll see you on next video.